Coach, first of all, congratulations. What's the thought? Can you take us through the game?
Yeah, I mean, I think we did well. We executed for most part. I think we dominated. The intensity and how we played the first half was very good. I'm pleased with that most. Disappointed that we didn't manage to put away some of our opportunities in the first half, you know. And I mean, you know, it had me a little bit nervous because I really wonder, is this going to come and bite us? But fortunately for us, it didn't. I think second half, we didn't start off with the same level of intensity. Harbour came in, you know, had some passage of play. But I think we did what we needed to do tonight to ensure that we get the 3 points. All the persons in front of us won yesterday. So it was important that we get maximum points here tonight.
Harbour seems to be playing a little bit on the counter. Some long balls, some dark balls without a lot of headers from both Joel and two Joels in centre back. What's your thoughts on that? You think that your defenders are able to contain those long balls?
Yeah, and I mean, I think they possess some height up top with those services. I think we dealt with those good. I'm just disappointed that we didn't keep a clean sheet tonight, but that's the nature of the game. The most important thing is that we got the 3 points, and I'm happy for that. And the way we executed, you know, and of course, young Dixon scoring on his debut is tremendous too, and it just goes to show the potential that he has. And you know, hopefully the team just grow from here strength to strength. You know, having a few injuries and some key persons missing tonight, and I think the players who came in stepped up and did extremely well. And I'm just happy with how they perform.
What's the inspiration behind starting Dixon tonight?
I mean, he earned the spot. Simple, he earned the spot. Fantastic strike, and I mean, the end result show. Scored a goal. That's why he started. Simple.
Adding another striker like that to the Arsenal of Arnett was actually a team that scored a lot of goals. How important is that going forward from here?
It's important. Yeah, I mean, and he's from the community, and hopefully that, you know, he's a young, exciting, probably the most young, exciting player in Jamaica right now, and everybody really wants to see him. And I mean, I'm sure he lit up the stadium tonight, and hopefully, you know, we can bring more fans, and the performance of the team will bring more spectators in, you know, because that's important, you know.
Emotionally, what does that mean for a young player from the community playing for Arnett now in time? What's the emotion that connection between the club and the fan base?
I mean, it's always, and that's nothing new at Arnett Garden, you know. A lot of players, if you really check around the league, I mean, this community is blessed with talent, you know. Probably every single team has a player or two players performing well on those teams from the community, and it's important, you know. But that's how it goes. Everybody can't play here, some would have to play outside, and it's important when you have good talent coming right through and representing the club and doing well.